In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your company settings in QuickBooks Online. Setting up your company settings properly is crucial for maintaining accurate records and ensuring smooth operations. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is look for the gear icon. It's located at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This icon gives you access to various settings and options, so go ahead and click on it. Once the menu opens, you'll want to find and select the option that says Account and Settings. It's your gateway to customizing how your company information is captured and displayed within QuickBooks. Now, you'll see a tab where you can enter several critical pieces of information about your company. This is where you start personalizing your account to reflect your business accurately. Input your company name. This is how your business will be identified everywhere in QuickBooks. Next, fill in your business address. It's important to have this up to date, especially for any reports and communications that are generated from the platform. You'll also want to add your company email and phone number. Make sure these are current, as customers or partners who need to get in touch will often refer to these details. You also have the option to enter your company website here. Adding it might be beneficial if you want your customers or suppliers to easily access more detailed information about your business. Moreover, the platform will ask for your industry. This might seem like a minor detail, but selecting the right industry helps QuickBooks tailor some of its features to suit your business needs better. Now, let's focus on the legal info. This section is crucial for tax purposes, so take your time to ensure everything is accurate and complete. This will include details that will appear on any tax-related documents, making sure all your legal records are consistent and in alignment with your business operations. There's another essential part here, which is the customer contact information. This is how customers will know how to reach you, and it's a key element for customer relationship management. Ensure that your contact details are clear and accessible to make it easier for clients to contact you whenever necessary. If you'd like to add a personal touch to your account, you can click on the logo at the top. Here, you can upload your company logo, which will not only personalize your QuickBooks account, but also appear on invoices and other communication templates that you send out through the system. After entering all your company information and making the necessary adjustments, don't forget to click Done to save your changes. And there you go. Your company settings in QuickBooks Online are now complete. By following these steps, you've laid a solid foundation for managing your company's financial data accurately and effectively. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial.